Hello everyone, this is Monica from the Millennium School, GrNoida West. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how is rain formed. So this video is for class 4 students who have recently studied the chapter The Water Cycle in EVS. So before I demonstrate how is rain formed, let us do a quick recap of the water cycle. So we know in the water cycle, there are three major processes that are involved: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. So let us see how this water cycle functions in the nature. So the first process is the evaporation. Sun heats the water in all the water bodies, be it in pond, sea, or oceans. Can you see these arrows here? The water from the water bodies is heated by the sun, and this water goes up in the sky in the form of water vapor once it is heated. So this process in which water, which is liquid, is changing into water vapor, that is gas, is called evaporation. So once the water vapor reaches up the sky, it cools down because the temperature above is cool. So these water vapor changes into small water droplets. So this process is called condensation, where water vapor, which is a gas, again gets converted into water droplets, which is liquid. So this process is called condensation. Here all the water droplets together form a cloud. And when these water droplets become too heavy, they cannot hold themselves, and then they fall as rain. So this process is called precipitation. So students, let me now demonstrate you how the rain is formed. For this we need simple things that are easily available at home. But remember that parent supervision is a must. That is, you must do this experiment in the presence of your parents. So come with me. Let us start and see how the water cycle works. Students, we need simple things like a bowl, a plate, some ice, and some hot water. So students, I have heated this water on the gas to speed up the process of evaporation. So instead of sun heating the water, it is the gas which has heated our water. Now this water is evaporating. Since we cannot see the water vapor, this liquid is changing into the water vapor. So the evaporation process is happening here. Now the next is condensation. Now how do we condense the water vapor? That is, I need some cold layer, alright, where this water vapor, which is the gas, will again convert into liquid, which is the water droplets. So for that cold layer, I will use a plate to cover it, and I have covered it, and I will use some ice also to make this cold layer. Okay, so when the water vapor will hit this cold layer, the water droplets will be formed. And once the water droplets becomes too heavy to hold themselves, they will start dripping, or it will start raining. So let us see. Now this will not happen immediately. You will have to give some time for this to happen. So just wait for some time. Okay. So students, you can lift up the plate and see that small water droplets have started to form. Yes. Now again, cover this. Now, students, see, look at these droplets. They are becoming bigger and bigger, right? And soon they are going to precipitate. That means it is going to fall as rain. But we'll have to wait for some more time. Let us just wait. So, students, can you see this big droplet? See, it has started dripping now. So, this is how the rain is formed. See how it's dripping. Yes. So, this is how the rain is formed. If you will wait for some more time, you will see more of the droplets dripping, right? So did you see how we have water evaporating, hitting the cold air or the cold plate, condensing, and when the water droplets becomes too heavy, it precipitates and falls down. So this is the beauty of water cycle. See, now this is dripping. Yes. So you can give it some more time to it, and you can see how more of water droplets will start dripping. So I hope you've understood the concept of water cycle and how rain is formed. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.